Hi guys, so today we'll solve the two-sum problem on Leetcode. So the problem is given an array of integer nums and an integer target. Return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution and you will not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so the first thing I think of is if you can use a hash map or not. So essentially, I think using a hash map would be the easiest solution in this case. So what we could do is we create a dictionary in Python, and then we loop through the nums array. And after looping through the nums array, we subtract each number from the target, and then check if it's already in the dictionary. And if it's not in the dictionary, we store it with its index. So essentially, what will happen is, one second, I think coding it would be the easiest approach, and then I'll explain it to you guys. So first I create the dictionary, and then I loop through the array of nums. Okay, now I'll check if the elements, if the value subtracted. Okay, so if the target minus the nums I value, so essentially is in the dictionary or not. So if it's not in the dictionary, I'll add it to the dictionary as follows: nums of I is equal to I, and if it's already in the dictionary, then we return a list of target with dictionary target minus nums of I and the index that is already present. So one second, let me run the code and check. So we know what's the problem here. Target minus nums of I minus I return. Okay, so this has to be in a dictionary. Sorry, yeah, dictionary. Yeah, so and submitting it, it gives me a 98.88% value. So okay, so what's happening here essentially is we're creating a dictionary, and after creating the dictionary, we're looping through the array. So when looping through the array, we're checking if each element, so 9 minus 2, in the first case, if 9 minus 2 is already in the dictionary, so it's not in the dictionary. So the value 7 is not in the dictionary, so we'll go and store the value of 2 with its index, so 2 and 0 in the dictionary. And then we go to 7. Now 7 will be 9 minus 7, which is 2. So 2 is already in the dictionary. So if 2 is already in the dictionary, we return the value of the target minus nums I, which will be 2. Basically here 0, its value be 0 will be returned, and we'll get the value of 1, which is when we loop through the array. So we get an answer of 0, 1 in the first case, which is right. Now when we go through the second question, so 3, 4 and 2, so we check it like if target minus nums I, so target minus 3, so 9 minus 3, which will be 6, so it's all not in the array. So the first element will be 3 is stored with its index 0. Then we go to the second question, which is 2. So target minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So 4 is also not in the array, so 2 will be stored with its index, which is 1. And then we go to the third question, which is 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 is already in the array, so we get the index of 2 as 1 in the first column, and then the value of I, the iteration will n currently, which is 2. So 1 comma 2 will be the answer. So hence this. So yeah guys, this is how you solve the two-sum problem.